Hey guys, here is Blythe. I did a cute little style on her locks after I retwisted them. This retwist, of course, did not last. Her hair is so silky and soft. So I'm going to start off by wetting her hair. I could not find what Blythe did with the spray bottle. So here I am just slapping some good old water all over her hair just to get those little frizzies nice and moisturized. And then I'm taking a small amount of the Jamaican black castor oil mixed in with the leftover water that's in my hands and a little bit of babasu oil, and I'm just going to rub that in all over her hair and her scalp, mostly on her scalp. I'm going to rub it through these parts and then take what I have left over in my hands and rub that down her frizzies on her cornrows to kind of help weigh them down. I'm going to make sure I smooth some on her edges. I don't want to add too much to her hair, of course, because I don't want an excessive amount of product buildup, just enough to make her hair nice and moisturized and make it nice and neat. To tie her hair down before we go out, I'm going to put this. It's a kid's dome wave cap. I believe I got this either came from the hair store or Family Dollar. I believe I got it from I'm not sure, Family Dollar or the hair store. This used to fit her head a little bit better, but my baby has a nice size dome on her, so it was a nice snug a nice snug fit. I'm gonna let this sit for a couple hours. After we get dressed and all of that, we will be back to show you the next step. Ready? Stop making weird faces. Here I'm just adding a couple of little jewelry hair pieces I picked up from the hair store. I think they were only like $1.50 maybe. Really cheap because they turn silver after you wear them like one or two times. It's hot. Is that even? Hell no. Let me see. Now here is Blythe is the headline of the show, and this is kind of like, you know, the follow-up contenders, the bows. I'm so excited about these bows. I am going to launch Blythe's little boutique probably in June or July. So I guess that's when y'all will actually get to see this video. We're going to have all different types of cute little bows at affordable prices, of course, because I'm cheap and I don't like spending a bunch of money on stuff. So I wouldn't want you guys to do that either. These bows will be anywhere between like $1, $3.50 to $4. We're going to have a lot of different colors, nice glittery patterns, some with lollipops up there. I'm so excited for you guys to see this. So I haven't yet made her Instagram, but by the time y'all see this video, she will have it up. It will be Blythe's Bows, BLYTHEBOWS on Instagram. So go follow my baby's Instagram so that way y'all can order your beautiful bows for your beautiful girls. So that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so very much. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at Nathina Antoinette, the same as my YouTube handle. And don't forget to follow Blythe's Bows on Instagram. Love ya. Bye.
Focus.
Bye.
Bye.